Assistants answer HAIRCARE questions, recommends a perfect product, it even pulls the real-time info from the brand websites all through Telegram. We can just test it. Hi, can you give me the price of your product? And it will reply in a real time. And guess what? I sold this exact bot to a client for $5,000. In this video, I'll show you exactly how you can build one just like it using N8N, OpenAI, and Telegram with no coding needed, low code, no experience required. Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are into AI automations, chatbots, or just want to make a serious money helping real businesses, this one is for you. So here's the high level breakdown of our N8N workflow. First comes the Telegram trigger, which listens the messages coming in from the Telegram. Actually, it's clean the input that is coming from the Telegram. Then the AI agent comes, which handles the logic and answers, and then it will send reply back to the Telegram, which delivers a message to the user that we just saw here. So first of all, you need a Telegram bot. Open Telegram, search for the bot father here, and follow the step, create a new bot and bot father. Here you will create the new bot. You have to choose a name for your bot. Let's say HAIRCARE, or now you have to choose a username. Perfect. So you have to use this token to access your Telegram trigger node. I already have created one for myself. I'll show you. Here you have to connect your Telegram account by connecting the same token here. Once it's connected, so now when a user sends a message to the bot, our Telegram trigger node catches it. This is where every chat session begins. With that, we pass the message through an edit field node to clean up the input and get it ready for the AI. Map the session ID and the chat input. We'll just put it over there. Hi. This hi is chat input that is getting from the Telegram. So this is where the magic happens. The AI agent node. We connect to the OpenAI chat model. We connect it to OpenAI chat model for GPT-4 responses. Then we added a simple memory to keep a chat context, and then we fetch a website the tweak using HTTP request. So now if someone asks which product is best, we'll just test it. So now if someone asks which product is best for, let's say, frizz, it gives a smart, confident answer like a beauty expert. See, once the AI agents generate a reply, we send it back to the customer with the Telegram send message node, this one. It feels instant and personalized, super smooth experience. This bot is trained to recommend products, explain routines, pull in shipping info, and it's fully brand aware. You can tweak the system prompt to reflect your brand tone, friendly, luxurious, expert, whatever fit. Well, I pitched this to a HAIRCARE brand, a 24/7 virtual product expert, no extra staff, no call center, just an AI that answers customers' questions on an autopilot 24/7. I sold it for $5,000. Trust me, as a custom automation package. You can do the same in beauty, skincare, supplements, or any other industry. This is just a beginning. You can add product images, a hair quiz, email follow-ups, and even integrate Stripe for direct purchases. If you want a full JSON, just drop a comment below, like, subscribe, and I'll show you how to level this up with product images and quizzes in the next video. Thank you so much.